I got this in the other day. This is the little ToolkitRC P200 bench power supply. It's a fair unit. I think it's overpriced. Problem I had with it is it just didn't work as advertised. I put it on an airplane. It's got a 10 amp maximum, also a 200 watt maximum. I tried to run an airplane up on the bench and this started failing at 5 amps. Wouldn't power the motor on the airplane past 5 amps, which was not 200 watts at 12.6 volts. So the reason I got this originally was I blew up another lipo battery by connecting it to a platform and getting distracted in the room, and it pulled the battery down too far. That's 2 batteries I've lost in the last 2 years, so I just decided I needed a bench power supply. Well, when this one started failing at 5 amps, half of its rated capacity, I ordered another one to test against it. This one's not so small. And this one is exactly the same, 30 volts, 200 watts, 10 amps. And it's quite a bit bigger, as you can see. Lots bigger. Doesn't work in the field. This one can be used in the field through that XT60 connector. This one has to have AC power. It doesn't work off of DC in any shape, form, or fashion. And it's 30 volts, 10 amps, 200 watts, and does run. I just did a run up on the mini Talon on the bench. It does work up to 10 amps at 12.6, 16.8 volts. I can spin the motor on the airplane up to 10 amps. At 10 amps, it does start cutting out, but that it should. That's the limit of the bench power supply. So the cute little bench power supply, the new one, supposedly greatest, didn't work for me. I had to actually go with a much larger unit. Same rating. They're both rated the same. It's just the ToolkitRC one only goes up to 5 amps, whereas this one will power all the way up to 10 amps like it should. So I thought after blowing up 2 lipo batteries by discharging them too much, I would get a bench power supply, and this is going to be it, and this one will be sent back. What's it called? ToolkitRC P200 did not work for my purposes. All right, thanks guys.